Hello, this is Witch Nikki, and I ordered not one, but two of these. And I learned how to do cross stitch, or a stitch that was an X, years ago when I was 8. I never got a kit like this, but we did like a sampler of embroidery. Well, I did, like I said, ordered two. This is for my review. This is for educational purposes only. Amazon, you need to tell people the truth so that if they're a beginner with this kind of needlecraft, if you're not familiar with cross stitch, this is the material that they give you, and there is nothing on it. This is a very difficult thing to do as a beginner. I do have some knowledge about it, and they do have the picture here to help guide you, but also it has the instructions in different languages, of course, a few different languages. But what you're supposed to do is take this picture, and it has the guidelines here of what color to use where on this diagram. So that's what you're going to go by. It tells you how to use this as already folded. So your starting point is in the center, and then it tells you to count 5 little teeny tiny squares. I don't know if you could see this, but you count 5 of them from the center, and that's where you start. Your starting point is there. If you don't understand these kind of instructions, I'm just letting people know this is not, this kit is not for beginners. As simple as it is, for people who know what they're doing. It shows some of the different stitches that you'll be using. So you should familiarize yourself with some of these things. Like what I did before the kit came was I looked up how to do cross stitching on YouTube. So let's find view order. I don't need to view the order. I actually want to see if I could put up a review. Created with beginners in mind. No, it's not. It's not. Because I'm a beginner, and this, like I said, the last time I was doing cross stitch, I was about maybe 9 or 10, 8, 9 or 10, somewhere right around there. We learned how. Also, in one of these packages, it did not come with a needle, and I did find the needle. I thought both of them didn't come with a needle, but they're supposed to. And this is the teeny tiny little needle that it comes with. Comes in a package, but I only found one. So this is going to be a bit of a challenge. In fact, it comes with the easy to follow instructions. That's yet to be seen. Because, like I said, the instructions might be easy, Let me hold this up to the light. I don't know if you could see. Well, you can see the light straight through this. But what am I going to be doing? Holding it up to the light like that? There's teeny tiny little, I don't know what you call these little holes. So I have to be counting. This is going to be a big challenge. So I think I'm going to stop for now, and I am going to post this on YouTube, and I'm going to save it to post with my review. I'm not going to do the review now because I might not like it, or it might turn out very good. We'll see.